If you want to draw or write on the screen of your Android tablet, the good news is that almost every single tablet out there supports this, and usually you don't need anything besides an app that supports it and your finger. Just to demonstrate this quickly, I have an entry-level Samsung Galaxy tab. I can go to the Samsung Notes app, and there I can use my finger to draw on the screen. There's also a lot of third-party apps that are great for drawing, but I'm just using the native Notes app here to give you a quick example. Pick a pen or a brush or whatever you call them, then pick a color and have at it. Nice, easy, and kind of fun too. You can draw and handwrite on most Android tablets using either your finger or a stylus, but a stylus, meaning one of those pen-looking things designed for tablets, usually gives you much better precision and control. Your finger works fine for basic notes and simple sketches, while a stylus feels more natural for detailed writing or drawing. The experience also depends a lot on the tablet itself. Cheaper tablets often only support basic styluses that work like a fake finger touch, while higher-end tablets, like Samsung Galaxy Tabs with the S Pen, support advanced features like pressure sensitivity and palm rejection, which lets you rest your hand on the screen while writing. Better screens also feel smoother and more responsive, so writing and drawing feels much more natural overall. One cool feature is to use handwriting instead of the standard keyboard. If you're using the Gboard keyboard, you can tap the little gear icon to go to your keyboard settings, and from there we can edit the keyboard layouts. The QWERTY version is usually the default for most users, but you can enable a handwriting keyboard to be used alongside the standard keyboard. Once you have that enabled, you can go to any app that's using the keyboard, and long pressing your spacebar brings up a menu that allows quick switching between your keyboard types. This could be keyboards for different languages, or just for switching between the regular and handwriting keyboard. When you switch to handwriting, you can literally handwrite over the keyboard, and your tablet will convert that to text. It's really good at recognizing letters and words, and even with my horrible scribbling, it correctly reads pretty much every word. You can always make corrections if needed, but overall this works great, and it's kind of fun to use. So, there's a quick demo on drawing and handwriting on your Android tablet. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next video.